If your Vista has a tendency to always drift in the same direction, or you have replaced the flight control board, then you will need to recalibrate the Vista sensors. The first step is to center all the transmitter trims. Turn on the transmitter and press each of the trim buttons until you hear a long beep. This is the center point. If you continue to press the trim button and you no longer hear any beeps, you have gotten to the end of the trim range and you'll have to press the other side of the button to come back towards center. With the trim centered, plug in the battery to the Vista and place it on a flat, level surface. Put the transmitter in high rate mode by pushing it on the right stick. The flight mode LED on the transmitter should change to orange. Move the right stick to the lower right corner and hold it there. Move the left stick to the lower right corner and hold it there. The LEDs on the quad arms will blink quickly, indicating the sensors are being calibrated. During flight, your Vista may pull or drift slightly in one direction, even when you're not giving it any input with the sticks. This may require a few clicks of one of the trim buttons on your transmitter to correct. Trimming should be done indoors or when the wind is calm. The two trim buttons near the right stick are for correcting drift in the forward, back, left, and right directions. The horizontal trim button by the left stick corrects the heading. The remaining vertical trim button on the left is for adjusting the throttle and does not need to be changed. If your Vista drifts to the left in flight while hovering, press the right horizontal trim button in the right direction a few times as needed to return it to a motionless hover. Press the trim button to the left if the Vista is drifting to the right. Make the same corrections with the right vertical trim button if the Vista drifts forward or back. If your Vista rotates without you giving it stick input, use the left horizontal trim button until it maintains its heading. If adjusting the trim buttons does not straighten out the flight of your Vista, follow the calibration procedure described in the beginning of this video.